Last week I installed a water tank for the workshop. This week it's an outdoor sink. This is the sink, though our one was given to us free from a kitchen renovation. Thank you very much. It was very generous to give it to us. Okay, my components are cut. There are the two frames. There's my 4 legs. And now it's just a matter of assembling it with these treated pine screws. This timber is H4 treated pine, and the process is supposed to put the chemical right through to the core. So cutting the sleeper is not supposed to compromise it. There's actually some debate whether that's true or not. So I've got some timber preserver and I'll give that a go. These butt joints need pilot holes. Okay, I've got a drama. I got these clips and the plan was to use them, but just before I painted it, I decided to just screw it through here. But now I've done a dry fit, I've worked out that ain't going to work, it's not going to clamp it down properly, and I need these clips, but to use these clips I need to cut a notch out of here. So I need to cut the notch, retreat it, then I can assemble it. Has anyone heard of the methodology? Pick any two, good, fast, cheap. I was going for all three. Good, no compromise there, check. Fast, finish the weekend, check. But cheap, the H4 treated pine sleepers and the screws, relatively cheap, check. The sink, free, check. The timber preserver, a bit of extravagance, since I use the same timber for the in-ground garden beds, and I expect those to last at least 10 years. Pallet wood for the slats, free, check. These plumbing fittings, cheap, but an unexpected cost. The tap, I hope it works, has these hot water and cold water inlets. This plug will block off the hot water. That will screw into the cold water. That's a adapter, 1/2 inch adapter, no 3/4 inch adapter for a standard 3/4 inch garden hose adapter. That's out of one. Sink drain is the other. And I'll have one pipe that goes out onto the ground or into a bucket. Okay, we're on the home stretch. I've done the plumbing and it'll probably leak like a sieve, but when I've finalised the design, I can then use this glue here, and the only thing left to do is screw in the slats. Right, here goes the first one. I put some plumber's tape on the connections. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, looks good. actual tap itself is leaking. Not much I can do about that, apart from replace the tap. Thanks for watching.